investor is ultimately looking for the same thing, a rewarding experience without the stress of managing asset allocation. Equities, debt, and commodities have different roles to play in a portfolio, and each comes with its own strengths and weaknesses. We are happy to announce the launch of ICICI Prudential Multi-Asset Active Fund of Fund. Instead of investing in multiple schemes separately to gain exposure to equities, debt, and commodities, by investing in ICICI Prudential Multi-Asset Active Fund of Fund, you get a diversified multi-asset portfolio. The scheme shall invest 30 to 80% of total assets in units of active equity-oriented scheme, giving the flexibility to maintain higher equity exposure when there is optimism about markets, while also providing the option to reduce equity allocation when valuations or market conditions warrant caution. In determining our equity allocation, we use our in-house equity valuation index combined with our assessment of the economy and market conditions, which helps us decide the appropriate level of equity exposure. Within equities, we evaluate which sectors are at favorable stage of growth, dynamically adjust our investment styles by leaning towards growth when the economic environment is supportive, and shifting towards value when markets become more selective. We also actively assess market capitalization opportunities, determining when large caps offer better risk reward and when mid and small caps present attractive opportunities. For debt allocation, we focus primarily on duration and accrual-oriented funds. It is guided by our outlook on economic growth, inflation, and interest rate cycle. The scheme may allocate 10 to 60% to units of active debt-oriented scheme and 10 to 30% to gold ETFs and/or silver ETFs. When it comes to commodities, our allocation is driven by macroeconomic factors such as interest rates, movements in the US dollar, inflation expectations, and broader demand-supply dynamics. The scheme looks to equities for growth, debt for relative stability, and commodities as a potential hedge against inflation and uncertainty. The result is a portfolio that can participate in equity market opportunities, seek relative stability through debt, and benefit from commodities when macroeconomic conditions favor them, all within a single scheme managed through an active and dynamic allocation framework. Looking forward to your active participation.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.